In this video, we want to solve for x given 5 raised to power x is equal to 500. Five raised to power x equal to 500 is an exponential problem. To continue from here, I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. So I have log 5 raised to power x is equal to log 500. The expression here, log 5 raised to power x, is of the form log a raised to power m, and by law of logarithm, this will give us m log a. So that this equation becomes x times log 5 is equal to log 500. I'm going to divide both sides by log 5. And we see log 5 cancels log 5 here. Then we have x is equal to log 500 over log 5. We can also say x is equal to log. Here, 500 can be broken down into 5 times 100, or we can say 125 times 4. 125 times 4 will give us 500, then divided by log 5. We need to separate this product, and to do that, I'm going to apply this law of logarithm. Log a times b will give us log a plus log b. Then we say x is equal to log 125 plus log 4, then divided by log 5. We can divide this division to give us log 125 over log 5, then plus log 4 over log 5. This would then imply that x is equal to log 125 is 5 raised to power 3, then divided by log 5, then plus log 4 is 2 raised to power 2, divided by log 5, which will then give us x is equal to 3 log 5 divided by log 5, and plus here, this is 2 log 2, and divided by log 5. Log 5 divided by log 5 here is 1, so we are left with 3 here, then plus 2 times log 2 divided by log 5. Log 2 divided by log 5 is of the form log a over log b. By law of logarithm, this will give us log a base b. So x is equal to 3 plus 2 times, this will now be log 2 base 5. giving us the final answer for x in this problem. Next, we are going to do a quick check to confirm that this is correct. By checking, we mean substitute the value we just got for x into the given equation, which was 5 raised to power x equal to 500. This will imply 5 raised to power x is 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5, then to give us 500. To continue from here, we first need to separate these powers. And to do that, I'm going to apply this law of indices. A raised to power m plus n will give us a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So this becomes 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 to give us 500. 5 raised to power 3 is 125, so we have 125 times. Let us move this all the way here. So we have 2 raised to power 2 here. Then this becomes 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 2 base 5 to give us 500. This would then give us 125 times 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then base 5 is equal to 500. Let us work on this expression. By law of logarithm, given a raised to power log p base a, this will always give us p as long as these bases are the same. So we have 5 here, we have 5 here. The whole expression reduces to 4. Then we have 125 times 4 to give us 500. 125 times 4 is 500. So 500 is equal to 500. And since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, that confirms that the solution we got for x is perfect and correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.